Right, let's continue with the revision exercises from page 137 here with question 13. So this is a rational inequality because we have a fraction here. Alright, so again, the first thing in doing these is, normally if this was an equals, we'd multiply by x plus 1 on both sides to get rid of this unequal line. As we said in class there last week, we cannot do that because x plus 1 is possibly a negative number. And if that was a negative number and I multiplied it by x plus 1 on this side, what would happen? I'd have to change the sign, so I can't do that. So what I do is we multiply both sides by x plus 1 squared because we know that's a positive number. And it will get rid of the bottom line here. So that's basically multiplying that out. Bring the 5 over, again just multiplying it out. And I get down to, if I simplify it down to inequality. Alright, so then the important thing, and I almost forgot myself, is when I'm solving it, I get rid of the inequality sign and I let it equal to 0. And we solve the normal quadratic equation. Okay, and in doing that we get two answers. So again, we come to the test, so I pick a value between minus 1 and 2 over 3. So 0 is a handy one to pick. So I put it, and in this case, yes, minus 2 is less than 0, so it's true. So the values lie inside my my boundary values there. So that's what I get as my answer there. Okay. Question 17, from what ones I've corrected from people that sent them through, generally very well answered. Okay, so here we're using to modulus. So what we do here is we use the rule that's now given in the book, that x is equal to y or x is equal to minus y. So we substitute these in values, work them out, and you get out those values for x. Question 24, again, in general, from ones I corrected, was well done. So basically, what we do is we draw the modulus of x plus 3. We draw a line across at 10, one at 2, and we see what values between 2 and 10. That's the conditions. But I want to know, when is it greater than 2 and less than 10? So greater than 2 and less than 10. Well, that's between x is greater than minus 13, but less than minus 5. And also when x is greater than minus 1 and less than 7. So that's it, and I hope these videos help.